What's up guys, in this video I'll be sharing with us the common challenges of being a new YouTuber with less than 1,000 subscribers. And I must say, it takes hard work, it takes dedication, and most importantly it takes consistency and value provision. 4 months ago, I started my YouTube journey. This is my 28th video, and I must tell you that I have noticed a whole lot of improvement in my speech. But apart from that, there are so many challenges that new YouTubers always face, and I'll be giving us 5 common challenges. Stay tuned, let's begin. The first common challenge that so many 99% of YouTubers always face is that YouTube is not easy. Oh my god, I cannot emphasize this enough. I remember when I started, I was saying, oh, in 2 months or in 1 month I would get 1,000 subscribers. I even told myself that I'll be uploading 2 videos every week. When you put in so much effort on a video and it does not do so well like you would expect it to do, it can be very frustrating, especially with the new YouTubers, because we don't have an audience yet, so no one would really see our videos, no one would really engage in our content. Most especially, we don't even know how to maximize our search engine optimization in order for the video to reach a larger number of people. So it can be very difficult. If you are planning to start your YouTube channel, it's not going to be easy in any way. You are going to end up stressed out, you're going to end up frustrated, because this is not something that you have been used to. And if it's something that you have been used to, well, I guess it's your lucky day. But for the rest of us, it's not really an easy thing to do. There are so many skills that you have to learn in order to make your video to come out the way you want it to be. The second challenge is that you do not know the right equipment to use. I would like to state that you don't need so many equipment, the light, the camera, to start your YouTube channel. If you have a good phone, you should start with what you have. Even if it's a a selfie stick that you have, start with that selfie stick. You should not let the lack of equipment stop you from starting your YouTube channel. I advise everybody to start their own YouTube channel, and I have had people who always tell me, oh, I am the sort of inspiration for them to start their YouTube channel. And I'm so glad that I am beginning to make an impact on people. You can 100% use the resources that you have, and when you start generating more money and you have the financial capacity to invest in equipment, then you should go ahead and do it. But don't let the lack of equipment, oh, I want my video to look all nice, I want this, I want it to be top notch. Everybody that started their YouTube channel today, myself included, our first videos were were nothing to write home about. I still have my first video on my channel. In that video, I used my iPhone 12 to shoot that video. But if I go back to that video, it will remind me that, wow, I have actually progressed and improved a whole lot in my YouTube journey, right? And that's the story I have to tell. So you need to have your own story story to tell, where you started from, how you have been growing, where you are headed to. Those are the total stories that people would draw, inspiration from, and they would also use it to start their own YouTube channel. Eventually, I had to decide that I need to make this as an investment to have the right equipment, and I invested in the lights. I think it's called Shoot Photo. Wait, let me check what it is. 1 minute. What is it, Seth? Where is that thing? KP27. You guys. Hey guys, it's the KP270, aka Shoot Photo. I'm still learning what all these are used for. I have my Canon EOS, and I have this light that I ordered from AliExpress, but I did not buy all these things before I started my YouTube channel. All you have to do is to start. The third challenge a whole lot of YouTubers, myself included, face is that we have to do everything ourselves. I mean, this is the part that even up till now I still dread the life out of it, because you have to do the planning of the video, scripting the video, shooting the video, editing the video. Oh my god, editing is the worst of them all. I must tell you, editing the video, creating your thumbnail, crafting out a perfect title, and upload the video, and then write the description that would optimize your video to the point that other people can easily watch your video. Oh my god, now that I'm actually thinking about it, it's not easy. It's really not easy. YouTube is a marathon and not a sprint. Even if you start up sprinting like I did, uploading 2 videos every week, you will get tired, because at some point I got tired. I'm like, fine, I'll just be uploading only 1 video every week. And since then, I've somehow been having so much rest of mind that I have a whole week to shoot another video and plan and upload and edit. Oh my god, edit and then upload the video. You will learn a whole lot of skills along the way. Myself, for instance, I'm an accountant. There's nothing concerning me to editing and shooting a video, but I am so glad that I have been able to learn this skill to an extent, and I've been applying it on my videos, which actually I'm so proud of myself that wow, I can now do this. The fourth common challenge a whole lot of YouTubers face is that a lot of us, 99% of us, can be camera shy. I remember when I started, when I'm talking, I'll be looking from one end to the other and not focusing on the camera. It can be really awkward and weird that you're talking to yourself in a room that is just you, but you're looking at the camera and you're trying to connect with your audience. It can be really awkward and somehow uncomfortable at the beginning stage as a new YouTuber. But I can assure you that the more consistent you are with your videos, it will come to you with so much ease that you will just enjoy the flow, enjoy the process, because at the end of the day, this is all a journey and is somehow preparing you for the amazing future that you will have, especially if your goal is to be invited to speak to a larger number of people. This is you going through the constant practice, constant process, and at the end of the day, you are just going to enjoy everything about it. The final challenge that new YouTubers face is that You have to let go of your pride. Guy, I'm telling you, you have to let go of your ego, your pride. You have to be humble to be able to make it in this YouTube channel. I'm still telling this to myself. You have to consistently tell people to subscribe to your channel. You have to constantly tell people to subscribe to your channel. You have to tell people constantly to subscribe to your channel. At some point, your channel, your subscribers would remain static. That's the point where all the people on your contact list, all the people following you on your socials, your WhatsApp especially, send them a message. Hi, I hope you are subscribed to my channel. You have to let go of your pride. You cannot say, oh, I can't tell people. I remember when I started this journey, I was like, no, my content will speak for itself. Don't get me wrong, my content actually speaks for itself. But you have to constantly give people that extra nudge to please subscribe to your channel. You have to understand that you need people to actually subscribe to your channel and watch your videos in order for your channel to grow. In this part of the world, a lot of Nigerians, a lot of Africans don't know that having a YouTube channel, maintaining and running a YouTube channel is actually a business on its own. So they would always look down on you that why are you having a YouTube channel? What are you doing having a YouTube channel? But I don't even look at them. You need to be okay with the fact that it's not all your friends that will subscribe to your channel. A bonus tip that you should know is that as a small YouTuber, if at any point you feel mentally drained or mentally exhausted that you can't even think of a video to shoot, it's okay to rest. So give yourself that time to heal and always make sure you come back to it. You should also give yourself a round of applause because you are officially a creator. And yes, having a YouTube channel is like running a business, but a one-man business. So give yourself the accolades that you deserve, because it's not everybody that has the mental capacity to start their own YouTube channel. I am rooting for you, and if this is your first time that you've watched my videos, I will please encourage you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the experiences that you've had as a small YouTuber, and if you are yet to start your YouTube channel, please write in the comment section why you've not started. I will see you in my next video. Bye.